Hey everyone, welcome back to StoryFire English, where every story ignites your English. I'm James.
And I'm Maria. Hi, everyone. It's so good to be back with you today.
Maria, can I be honest with you about something?
Uh-oh. Go ahead.
The first time I traveled to a new country, I walked into a coffee shop, and I just stood there, frozen, like a statue.
Wait, why?
Because the barista said something like, "What can I get started for you? Hot or iced? Room for cream?" All in like 2 seconds. And my brain just shut down.
Okay, that's actually so relatable. I had a student, sweet girl, very smart. She wanted a simple iced latte, but the barista asked her 3 questions back to back, and she panicked and just said yes to everything.
Oh no.
She walked out with a triple shot black espresso at 9 p.m.
That's not a coffee. That's a punishment.
Right? But honestly, this happens to so many learners. You just want a simple cup of coffee, and suddenly there's a long line, a huge menu, and a barista talking a mile a minute.
And that pressure, feeling like everyone behind you is watching, waiting, that's what makes people freeze.
So today, we are fixing this completely.
By the time this video ends, you're going to know exactly what a barista is going to ask you, in what order, and exactly how to answer. Calm, confident, like you've done it 1,000 times.
And stay with us until the end, because James and I are going to act out a full coffee order together, start to finish.
So grab your own coffee, get comfortable, and let's get into it.
Okay, so James, where do you think that nervous feeling really begins? Like, the exact moment?
Honestly, the second you walk through the door, there's the noise of the espresso machine, people talking fast at the counter. It's a lot of sensory input at once.
Right, and that counter? That's called the register. That's where you order and pay.
And the person taking your order, the barista, especially during the morning rush, they move fast. It's not personal, it's just busy.
Okay, so you walk up. What's the first thing they usually say?
Honestly, they rarely even say hello first. It's usually straight to business. What can I get started for you? Or just, what can I get you?
And this is where I see learners make their very first mistake.
Oh, tell me.
A lot of students say, I want a coffee, or give me a cappuccino.
Which, grammatically, that's fine.
Totally fine grammar, but it can land a little blunt, a little demanding, even if that's not the intention at all.
So what do we say instead?
Soften it. Can I get a cappuccino, please? Or, I'd like an iced latte, please. Small change, huge difference in how it lands.
You know, could I have works really nicely too. Could I have an iced latte, please? Sounds very polite.
Now, here's a fun one. What happens if someone just says, can I get a coffee? And the barista just pauses, looks a little confused.
Yeah, that happens because coffee is actually a huge category. The barista genuinely doesn't know what you mean yet.
Right. If you want the simple, classic black coffee, that's called drip coffee, sometimes brewed coffee.
And if you want something like a latte, cappuccino, mocha, those are all espresso drinks. Totally different category.
Okay, once you've named your drink, what's next?
Size. They'll ask something simple, like, what size?
And most places keep it easy. Small, medium, large.
But then you go somewhere like Starbucks, and suddenly it's tall, grande, venti.
I still mix those up sometimes, and I've lived here for years.
Honestly, don't stress about memorizing those special brand words. Just say small, medium, or large. Literally every barista understands that.
That's such good advice. Clarity beats memorization every time.
Now temperature. This one surprises a lot of people.
Oh, the iced coffee thing?
Yes, Americans love cold coffee. Even in winter. Even when it's snowing outside.
It's true. I don't get it either, but okay.
So the barista's almost always going to ask, hot or iced? And here's the tip. If you don't say iced, they'll just assume hot. So always mention it clearly.
So a complete order might sound like,
Can I get a large iced vanilla latte, please? One sentence. Size, temperature, and flavor, all covered.
now let's talk milk because this trips people up too.
Right. Coffee shops usually have oat milk, almond milk, soy milk these days.
To change it, you just add the word with. Like, can I get an iced latte with oat milk?
Or you can tack it on politely at the end. Could you make that with almond milk, please?
James, can I tell you something embarrassing?
Please.
The first time a barista asked if I wanted room, I genuinely thought she was asking if I wanted to sit down somewhere.
Oh no.
I said, sure, I guess. And she just filled my cup a little less. I had no idea what had happened.
Okay, that's a great example actually. Room for cream just means leaving a little empty space at the top of the cup. So you can add your own milk later without it spilling everywhere.
I wish someone had told me that before that very confusing interaction.
Well, now everyone watching knows.
Exactly. Okay, sweetness. What if a drink is just too sweet for someone?
You're in full control there. Just say, Can I get that half sweet, please?
Such a simple, natural phrase.
And on the flip side, if you need an energy boost, just ask for an extra shot of espresso.
Careful with that one, though.
Oh, definitely. That's a clean your entire apartment at 2 a.m. kind of energy.
And if you want coffee later in the day without losing sleep?
Ask for decaf. Can I get a medium decaf cappuccino? Guaranteed good night's sleep.
Okay, so we've ordered our drink. But the barista's not quite done with us yet, are they?
Not even close. 2 more fast questions are coming.
The classic one first,
For here or to go?
which just means, are you staying to sit down or taking it with you?
If you're relaxing, say, for here please. If you're rushing off, to go please.
And why does the barista even need to know that right away?
Because a lot of nicer cafes will actually serve it in a real ceramic mug if you're staying, instead of a paper cup.
Oh, I love a ceramic mug. Coffee just tastes better somehow.
It's psychological, but I agree completely.
And the very last question before paying?
Can I get a name for the cup? So when your drink's ready, they can call it out.
And James, what if someone's name is hard to pronounce or spell?
Easy fix. Give them a nickname, or just your initials. You really don't need to spell out your full name while a line is building behind you.
Such a practical tip. Okay, I think that's a perfect place to pause for a quick break.
If this is helping you feel more confident, do us a favor and hit that like button.
And subscribe if you're new. We post new stories every Tuesday and Saturday.
Drop a comment too. Tell us your go-to coffee order. Hot, iced, sweet, plain black?
We genuinely read every single one, so don't be shy.
All right, let's keep going.
Time for pocket words. Phrases from today that you get to keep forever.
First one, to go. Taking your drink out instead of staying. Example, I'd like a medium coffee to go, please. I'm running late.
Second, drip coffee. Plain, classic black coffee. Example, I'll just have a small drip coffee this morning. Nothing fancy.
Third, room for cream. Leaving space at the top for milk. Example, yes, please leave room for cream.
Learned that one the hard way.
We all did. Fourth, half sweet. Less sugar in your drink. Example, could you make that half sweet, please?
Fifth, dairy-free. No milk or cream from cows. Example, do you have any dairy-free milk options?
Sixth one, decaf. No caffeine. Example, can I get a decaf latte? I don't want to be up all night.
And our final pocket word, on the side. Something served separately instead of mixed in. Example, could I get the syrup on the side, please?
7 solid phrases. Say them out loud with us one more time, right now.
To go. Drip coffee. Room for cream. Half sweet. Dairy free. Decaf. On the side.
Perfect. Now they're yours.
Time for Smooth It Out, where we take an okay sentence and turn it into a natural one.
First one. Give me 1 coffee with milk.
Understandable, but a little blunt. Smoother version. Can I get a medium coffee with a splash of milk, please?
So much friendlier already.
Second, I drink it here.
That does sound a little robotic.
Totally. Smoother. It's for here, please. Or even shorter. For here, thanks.
Third one. Make it not sweet.
A little confusing for the barista. Not sweet. How much not sweet?
Fair point. Better version. Could you make that half sweet, please?
And one more. I don't want big cup.
Smoother. Could I get a small, please? Simple, direct, no confusion.
Small changes. Big difference in how confident and natural you sound.
All right, let's bring it all together. James, you're the barista. I'm the customer.
Hi there, good morning. What can I get started for you today?
Good morning. Can I get a medium iced latte, please?
Absolutely. Would you like regular milk or a dairy-free option?
Could you make that with oat milk and half sweet, please?
Got it. 1 medium iced oat milk latte, half sweet. Is that for here or to go?
For here, please. I've got some reading to catch up on.
Perfect. Can I get a name for the order?
Sure, it's Mar-ya.
Thanks, Maria. Your total is $6.25. Would you like a receipt?
No thanks, I'm all good.
Awesome. That went right through. We'll call your name in just a couple minutes.
Thank you so much. Have a great morning.
You too, Maria.
Okay, that felt really smooth.
It did. You used can I get, asked for oat milk with 0 hesitation, and answered for here like a total pro.
And honestly, that's all it takes. A few small phrases, and suddenly the whole experience feels easy.
So next time you walk past a coffee shop, don't walk past it.
Walk right in and order like you've been doing it your whole life.
That's it for today's story. If you enjoyed this one, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. Next time, we're heading out to make a new friend.
Keep practicing, keep speaking.
And remember, every story ignites your English. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.